So recently, I was actually listening to a podcast, and an online brand was talking about how they were using Instagram Reels. They shared that they had one reel go viral. I'm talking almost 2 million views on Instagram Reels. But the video had nothing to do with their account. Like, it was a completely different topic than what they taught on as an online brand. And guess how many followers they ended up getting from that reel? 80. They only ended up gaining about 80 followers from a reel that had almost 2 million views. That's crazy. And so today I really want to break down what it actually takes to gain followers from Instagram Reels, because it does not do you any good to have Reels that get thousands of views or thousands of likes if those people don't turn into followers, which then turn into clients or students or whatever it is that you do. And over the past couple of months with Instagram Reels, I've actually been able to gain over 3,500 followers in just a couple of months, going from around 7,000 followers to over 10,000 followers now. That is insane growth. And none of my reels have gone even as viral as 1 million views. The most views I've had on one reel is 200,000 views, which is still a ton of views. And I really just want to share today though, like, why was I able to generate over 3,500 followers from reels that didn't even hit 1 million views, but then another business only gained 80 followers from a reel that hit almost 2 million views. So we're really going to talk about today why that is, what you need to do to actually be gaining followers and to be getting more followers on your Instagram account from Instagram Reels. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive into it. So the first thing to consider when it comes to creating Instagram Reels and ones that are going to turn those viewers into followers is to be intentional about your video topics. Be intentional about the types of videos that you're creating. I think the biggest mistake you can make is to create videos that have absolutely nothing to do with what you do, what you offer, what you bring to the table, and why someone would want to follow you for more. You've got to make your videos super pinpointed so that they're attracting your ideal client. So this is going to look different for every single person on Instagram, right? It's going to be totally different for whether you're a service-based business, whether you're an online brand, whether you're a content creator, but whatever your niche is, whatever that is that you consistently show up and bring value in, make sure that your reels line up with that. Make sure that you are creating reels that are very pinpointed, that your ideal client in that niche, the people who love you and fall in love with you and want to work with you or want to watch your content, make sure that it's very pinpointed to those people, that those people are going to love that video. As someone who shares a lot of Instagram marketing strategies and tips and tricks for photographers, that is primarily what I'm focused on right now when it comes to reels, and it's working. For example, whenever I am sharing a reel that's giving a photography tip, that's sharing a behind the scenes of me at a session or a wedding and giving some advice, that's what's helping to turn those people into followers, because when photographers see that video, they think, oh my gosh, like, I loved this. I need to follow her for more. And when they go to my account is very in line with that, because the primary audience that I have right now is other photographers and helping them grow their businesses online. And I end up turning those people into followers because they see my account and it's very in line with what that reel is about, and it just makes sense. And because Reels is being pushed to people right now who are not currently following you, and there's that potential to reach people who don't already follow you, there is so much potential to grow your account in this way. And so the next thing we really need to talk about is you need to give them a reason to follow you. You have to give them a reason. You have to give them a reason to hit that follow button. It's not enough to have a great video. It's not enough to have a video that gets millions of views. Obviously, like we've already talked about, you can get millions of views on a video and gain very few followers from that. And so let's talk about what you need to do in order to make your account followable. I just made that a word, followable. Followable. Okay, so that's what we need your account to be for your ideal client. And there's 2 reasons why someone would want to follow you after they see a reel. Number 1, your account is valuable to them. You're giving valuable content that's helping fix their problems. It's helping with the things that they're trying to figure out right now. And number 2, you're showing up consistently. You're being consistent with it. That means you're showing up in stories, you're showing up in reels, you're showing up in posts at least every single day in some capacity. So past making your content super targeted, super valuable, one thing that we do need to point out here is it is important to have your Instagram bio be super specific to what you do and how you show up and how you help others in the world. So I actually recently kind of tested this. I used to have in the first line of my bio say photographer and educator. And while that wasn't bad at all, while it definitely described what I did way more than just something really even more generic or not stating at all what I do, I ended up changing that first line of my bio to say, helping you grow a successful photo biz. And I saw an immediate turn in how many followers I was getting from my reels because it was clearly stating how I was helping them. I was helping them grow a successful photography business. And when photographers land on my account now and they see that in the first line of my bio, it's way more eye-catching, way more enticing to want to follow me because they know that that's what I'm going to help them to do rather than just saying I'm a photographer and educator. So it could be a coincidence that I ended up getting way more follows instantly when I ended up changing my bio, but I don't think it's a coincidence. I see a direct correlation in my followers just going up a little bit and using those views to my advantage and getting more of those people to turn into followers. The third way that you can take people who are seeing your Instagram reels and turn them into followers is by having a call to action. Have a call to action right within the reel itself. Have a call to action in the caption of your reel. Make sure that you're giving them that idea of, oh, like if I liked this video, I can go follow them, or I can check out their account, or I can follow them for more of this type of content. Make sure that you're saying that right in the reel or right in the caption. I do this frequently by either saying it audibly, that's a word, right? By saying it, like speaking it in the video, if it's like a speaking video kind of like this, or maybe it's something I'm just putting like text at the very end that says, follow me for more posing tips, follow me for more photography tips, follow me for more Instagram tips. Whatever it is, the thing that I specialize in, telling them that they follow me and they can expect to see more of that from my account. I'm also putting things like that in the caption. I think that's something that we've been told that over and over, right? We've been told that we need to make sure we have a call to action right in the caption of our Instagram posts, and this completely applies to reels right now. So make sure that in the captions, and right now I haven't seen there be like a limit as far as your caption length with reels, be shorter than like normal Instagram captions. So you can still write out like a whole Instagram caption, or you can just have your caption be short and sweet and to the point. I know for me, I like my captions for posts to be a little bit longer, but for reels, it's totally okay if in the caption, all it says is follow me for more tips on this, or follow me for more of this type of content, or follow me if you love this video. Things like that that get people to put it in their minds of, oh yeah, like if I follow her, I'm going to get more of this content. Again, going back to your content is valuable, your content is helping them fix problems, your content is educating them on certain things that are going to be really helpful for them. So if you're telling them that, you're telling them they're going to follow you for more, it's not only going to turn them into a follower, but someone who falls in love with your brand because you're delivering on that promise. Bottom line, you just got to tell them what to do. People need to be handheld. I was gonna say handheld. You need to hold people's hand a little bit with this. And it's funny because you would think people would think, oh yeah, like if I liked this video, I can go follow. But honestly, people need to be told that a lot of times. They need to be told by you, go follow me for more, or follow my video for more tips. Like they just need that call to action and put that in their minds, plant that seed of, oh yeah, like I can follow her. So just make sure that you're including a call to action in your video, you're including it in your caption or something along those lines. That's going to really help to take those viewers and turn them into actual followers, which then hopefully will turn them into engaged followers and then buy from you or purchase from you or whatever the end goal is. If you liked this video, first of all, give it a thumbs up. And I actually have several Instagram Reels tutorials. So if you're like, yes, Stephanie, like this is awesome. Like I want to get even more, I don't know where I was going with that. I wanted to learn even more about this is what I really wanted to say. I want to learn even more about this and how I can actually implement this and start creating Reels. I've got you. So I have a ton of tutorials so far on all of these different things. One of my favorites is my Instagram Reels tutorial. So you can check it out right here. I'll also put links in the description to some of my favorite videos that you can check out and start watching if you want to learn more about Instagram Reels, how to create them, all of that fun stuff. Also, if you hit subscribe to my channel and turn on the little notification bell, you'll know exactly when new videos go live. And that's important because I actually respond to comments live within the first 20 minutes after a video goes live. I actually hop on and respond to all of your comments. So if you have any questions or want to chat with me, be sure to show up right when a video goes live on Tuesday and Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.